5 reasons to consider Be Quiet's PureBase 500 computer case. Let's jump in. Number 1 has got to be the build quality of this case. All metal, separate room for the power supply, hard drive tray, very well designed and thought out. Rubberized feet, beautiful quality case. Number 2 is the sound deadening material found in this case. And they've put it on the panels, they put it all over the place, wherever they could. And I mean, this is gonna make this case really quiet. Number 3 is the optional sound deadening top cover, which gives you a little bit of airflow, is magnetized and contains that sound deadening material. Now you have the option to either use that, or they provide you with a dust cover if you want to have more airflow, which is also magnetized. Number 4 has got to be the multiple fan arrangement possibilities in this case. I mean, it comes with a 140 millimeter in the rear and mounting holes to have a 120 in the rear as well. Now you can have up to 3 140s or 120 mil fans in the front. You can have 2 140s or 2 120s in the top. I mean, this thing is just well thought out, well planned. Lots of options when it comes to cooling. And number 5, the final reason to consider the PureBase 500 from Be Quiet is the amount of room, the space that they give you in the rear for wiring. I mean, this thing is just very well thought out. Power supply room shared with, you can have up to 2 3.5 hard drives here, 3.5 inch, or SSDs. I mean, they give you the option to mount 2 more 2.5 inch drives, another 2 here. Like, this thing is just a masterpiece of engineering. A lot of time and effort and thought went into the creation and the design of this beautiful computer case.